Okay, let's get back with this one. I already recorded, but it was not done well. This is the unit money, page number 50 of Master Guide book. Okay, question number 3. Prepare yourself. So the question says, a sailor bought a pair of trousers and a cap. So here you have the price of the frock, pair of trousers, the blouse, skirt, shirt, short, and a cap. Okay, these are the prices that was given in the table. So the question says, a sailor bought a pair of trousers and a cap. What is the amount that he paid? So the price of the pair of trousers is 1075, and the price of the cap is rupees 175. See, when we are adding these two, this one is closer to this one. Why is that? It is according to the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. If you are not writing this according to the place value, the answer that you are getting is not going to be correct. So make sure that you are writing the numbers according to the place value. This 5 straight to the ones, this 7 straight to the tens, this 1 straight to the hundreds, because this is 175. This is 1075. Then 1 straight to the thousands, 0 straight to the hundreds, 70. This 7 straight to the tens, and then the ones. So the question says, what is the total amount he paid? Again, the total means addition. So you have to add these two. Addition is nothing, okay children, it is just grade 2 thing. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. The mistake that could happen in this one is not writing this one properly. 1 plus 1 is 2, and here the 1. So this is the question number 1. What are the statements that you can write? Amount of the pair of trousers, the price of the cap, the total amount he paid. These are the these are the statements that you have to write. Number 2. Malmi bought a skirt, a blouse and a short. What was the total amount? Again, total amount means the total, addition. Adding all of the things together. So, a skirt. What is the price of a skirt? It is 690 rupees. I'll write the rupees up. A blouse. The price of a blouse is 495. Then a short. The price of a short is 350. Add all these together. No sense. It's not nonsense. No sense. Adding all these together. Oh. Here the cap. It is 75 cents. Okay. So when you add this, no sense. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. It has to be right like that. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 remaining. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then part 3. Let's read the question. Question says, Dilum bought a short and a cap. A short, the price of a short is 350. The price of a cap is 175. Isn't it? So the price of a short, 350 rupees. The price of a cap is 175 rupees and 75 cents. You have to add these two because the question says, what is the total amount that he paid? Now add all these together. 75 cents, here 5, here 12, 525 rupees and 75 cents. What are the statements to be written? Price of a short, price of a cap, the total amount. Next one, Meena bought a frock and gave 1000 rupees to the trader. Meena is buying a frock and giving 1000 rupees. Now imagine here is the cashier. Okay. So the cashier is saying your bill is 500 rupees. So you are giving 1000 rupees. If you give 1000 rupees, cashier is not going to keep the whole 1000 because the price is 500. Then the balance that the cashier has to give you is 1000 minus 500, which is 500 rupees. Okay, this is an example how this would work. We will see the question number 4. I just gave an idea what happens at the cashier. This is all we know. When your mother goes and buys something from a supermarket, she has to definitely go to bill that to the cashier. So the cashier would see the bill and would take the money from your mother and give the balance, if there is any balance amount. For an example, if your mother buys some good for 500 rupees and if she pays 1000 rupees, the cashier has to give balance of 500. It's as simple as that. Nothing is difficult. Okay, this is very simple. Did you see? If mother gives 1000 and if the price is 500, the cashier would give balance of 500 rupees. It's as simple as that. Okay, don't ever confuse with that. Just imagine if the question ever says you about the cashier things and the balance. Imagine that your mother is going to the supermarket or else you are going to the supermarket and you are going to buy a certain thing. Then there won't be any issue. Well, the question 4, Meena bought a frock. What is the price of the frock? The frock is 795 and she has paid 1000. So 1000 take away 795. Okay. So 0 minus 5. We can't do that. So we have to borrow from the other side. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so what are the statements to be written? The amount paid, the bill, the balance. That's all. Okay. Think very simply. Then everything is easy. When you think stuff very complicated, when you think each and everything is very complicated, oh my god, I can't solve, then only stuff become complicated actually. Otherwise, nothing is complicated, trust me. Next one, question number 5. Rashmi bought a skirt and a frock and gave 2000. First, we have to get the price of shirt and frock. So, the shirt is 350 rupees and no cents. Skirt 690 rupees and no cents. So she is buying the shirt and the frock. What is the bill? This is what? 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. She paid 2000, but the bill is this one. So definitely she has to get a balance. So to find the balance, it is 2000 minus 1040. See, you're paying 2000 to the cashier. The bill is 1040. Then you will get an amount of balance. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here the 9. That's it. Here 1 take away 1 is already 0. So it is 960. Okay, correct this mistake. Let's move ahead with the question number 4. Question number 4 in Master Guide as in page number 51. Okay, solve the problems using the prices given below. So the rice cooker is 3700 and the cooker, I would say the cooker it is 3,700, and the grinder, the price of the grinder actually 2,950, and then the knife, it is 795. What is it? It is the heater. Next one is heater. Heater is 560 rupees. Then electric jug, it is 1,785. Okay, Radha bought a rice cooker and gave 5,000 note to the trader. What's her balance? She has bought this one. Okay, she has bought the cooker, which is costing 3,700, and then she paid 5,000. So how to get the balance? The balance is, if she paid 5,000, imagine as this. Here see, you are buying a cooker which is 3,700 and you are paying 5,000. Okay, so the price of the cooker is 3,700. If you pay the 5,000, the balance you have to get back. 5,000 paid, 3,700 is the price, and what's the balance? You have to subtract. 0, 10 take away 7 is 3, 4 take away 3 is 1. Okay. Amount paid, price of the rice cooker, balance received. That's what you have to write. In case if you are supposed to write the statements, or else you can leave it blank. It's okay. Next one, Maya bought a knife. Maya bought a knife and an electric kettle. A knife and an electric kettle. This and this. Let's add those two together to see her bill. 795 and 1,785. Let's add these two together to see the bill. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Here 2,580. Then, what's the total amount she had to pay? This is the total amount that she had to pay. Rupees. Either you can use this symbol or else you have to write RS. RS. You have to write RS, or else you can write 2,580 rupees. Both are acceptable. Next is question B. If she gave 3,000, this is the bill, she is paying 3,000 rupees to the trader. What was her balance? Okay, this is the bill, she is paying 3,000 and she has to get something. She has to get the balance. So the balance, we'll see the balance. 3,000 minus 2,580. 0, 10 take away 8 is 2, 9 take away 5 is 4, and here 2 take away 2 is 0. So 420 is the balance amount. In case if you had to write statements, the amount paid, total bill of Maya, is she Maya? Yes. Total bill of Maya, the balance received. Okay. Question number 3. Mr. Pial bought a blender and a knife and gave 5,000 rupees to the trader. Pial, okay, we'll see. Pial, what has Pial bought? What has Pial bought? Answer with me. What has Pial bought? A blender and a knife. Here see, the grinder that I have written already, it's the blender. Blender and a knife Mr. Pial had bought. What's the bill? 2,950 and 795. 2,950 plus 795. This is the bill that Pial would get from the supermarket, because they will take that knick, billing the blender. Next one, knife, knick, billing the knife. Then this is the bill that Mr. Pial would get. We'll see how much is it. 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 remaining, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, Here 3,745 rupees. You have to write the rupees or else write RS, otherwise it is wrong. 3,745. And what does he do? Not a fellow. He gives 5,000. This is the bill, but he gives 5,000. What is the balance he received? 5,000 minus 3,745. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. 1,255 is the balance that he receives. Okay, so the next one is, we're done with the third one. The fourth one is, I will rub all these because it already looks ugly. Okay, I will rub all these now. So the question is, what is the total amount that should be paid to buy a blender, a heater and a knife? A blender, this blender, heater. Okay, this is the, okay, this is the electric cooker, right? Electric, what is it? Electric kettle. That is electric kettle, isn't it? Okay, back to the question. The question 4 says that what is the total amount that should be paid what is the total amount that should be paid to buy a blender, heater and a knife? Here the blender, heater and a knife. This also, these three. To buy these three, what is the amount should be paid? What should we do? Total. The total word gives us the hint that you should add all these together. 2,950, 795, 560. All these together you have to add. So here the 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 2 remaining. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 5, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4,305 rupees to be paid. Okay. We will meet with the next review of the first term test revision paper next.